Shall we begin?
Dude, what's good? What's up, y'all? Yeah. First of all, I want to say thanks to everybody that subscribe to the channel, been watching my videos. You know, uh, even though I ain't been doing good, but you know, shout out to everybody, man. I appreciate it. Um, uh, just uh, 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 hit the 100 plus subscribers and 100 plus subscribers. That's that's good sound, man. You know what I mean? That's good sound. So I want to say special thanks to you guys. You know what I mean? Keep it up and love. Let's grow the channel, alright? So today is how to prep your hair for your next cut, right? So prep your hair, you know what I mean, to prepare for your next cut, you know what I mean, how to, I know, hey, don't get me wrong, man, I know a lot of you guys gonna be like, man,
Pete, this is not the drill.
like, what did you say? But yeah, man, it's really not me, man. You guys the right way to do it, you know what I mean, I'm definitely getting a set cut, tomorrow. So tonight I'm trying to get a wash in and a sand and prepare my hair for the cut tomorrow, right? So how to prep your hair for for a cut, right? To get a haircut, alright? So yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for looking out, man, and I know my channel has been, it's been, you know, different type of different type of stuff going on the channel, but I still appreciate you guys, looking out. Alright. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, let's get into it. And first of all, the reason why I really want to, I don't want to cut my hair, but it's a reason for it, man. You see, when I take off the do-rag, not me. I try to take the wool, but none of that, man. But for some reason, the front of my hair over here is creping. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like the way it comes just like full on top of each other like that. I don't like it like that. I don't want it to kind of fall on top of each other. You know what I mean? I want it to, like, see right there. That's whole spot is just there. You see, man. Let me try to let me try to show you, man. You see. So when I do a brush, so let's say I take the brush out of the hair now. As you can see right here, right there, it just won't lay it down. You know what I mean? So for that reason, I'm just gonna try to do a super wash tonight. If it's successful, then I might skip it. If it's kind of successful the way I want it, then I'm gonna kind of skip the cut tomorrow. But if it doesn't, then I'm gonna definitely get a haircut tomorrow. Alright. So this is my wolf, man. As you can see, it's just kind of growing, and I was trying to take this to the next level, but I don't like the way it's gonna like keep on folding on top of each other. I don't like that. I don't like that. I mean, I don't like it. So yes, I'm I'm gonna prep it tonight and get it ready for a cut tomorrow. Yep. Yep. So, yeah, with that being said, let's get into it, man. I see you on the other side. So you want to make sure you hitting your angle right. You know what I mean? Because the main purpose of getting your hair prepped for your next cut is just trying to make sure the cut is successful. You know what I mean? That your waves is kind of like is that you want to be proud of what you've done. All that time you was brushing. You know what I mean? So you want to make sure you hit your angle right and just get everything. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna use any conditioner today, but I usually do. I usually use conditioner, not a whole lot though, because I want a clean cut. You know what I mean? I want a very clean cut. So, and plus it's gonna be a self cut. So, yes. Today I'm gonna use oil to kind of a little bit of oil, mix it with the shampoo, and kind of just like what I mean, not a whole lot. But mainly, you want to hit your angle right. You know what I mean? Your crown, your everything, you want it to look good. You know what I mean? So that way, when you get a haircut, you'll be proud of what you've done for the whole time you were brushing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm gonna start with the crown. It's a messed up crown anyway. Make sure your brush is getting all the way down, because you're trying to prepare your hair for your next cut, man. You want to make sure you're hitting every spot right. Not trying to leave anything back.
Goes on and on.
rinse this off and do a second wash.
Tracy, you blow my mind.
Big addition, I can go.
Yeah, that's it, man. I hope it comes out good the way I want it. Cause like I said, it's right here, man. This piece is right here. They kind of get into each other's way. They get into each other's way, and then I don't like that, you know. So that's the main reason I really want to get a cut. I don't see them that much no more. So hopefully, when the hair dried up, I don't get to see them no more, and then that way I can keep my hair. If not, I might have to get a cut in 9 minutes. So you never can tell. cut the hair, I'm gonna do a video. And if I don't get to cut the hair, I'm gonna also do a video anyway. So shout out to everybody, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks. Please subscribe, share, and let's keep on doing the quick work time, man. From now on, I must keep on uploading, man. Not me. And the channel is not really all about waves. I'm doing everything. I'm trying to show people things that they really kind of having difficulties, doing. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to do my best. Maybe I probably gonna have to change the name, the channel's name, or I'm gonna change the name, or let's say just kind of in the long run, kind of try to separate everything if I can. If I could, if I can't, I mean,